Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to more NFT education, where we try to learn more about NFTs by just looking at NFT projects and breaking them down, and hey, even seeing if it's something that we would invest in the future. All right, so today the project that we are going to cover and that I wanted to cover to kind of show y'all about the NFTs that I like to cover the most, which is the ones who try to put the money back into the community, and this is ZCode NFT. All right, now the next big thing, ZCode Doge is your ticket into the largest and fastest growing NFT project. All right, now you can get whitelisted, which we'll come back to, but let's go ahead and read more about what this project is about. All right, now ready to take over the metaverse and the NFT space? Tired of the fly-by-night NFT cash grab scams, which, hey, there's no secret, there's a lot of those that are based on nothing, which then fail quickly after the launch, leaving their buyers with a bag of worthless tokens. Get into NFT project based on real utility and real community. ZCode has been producing industry standard sports prediction tools since 1999. Okay, now I'm interested in sports, and so that's something I definitely can get into. Now, no matter whether you live and breathe crypto or have never held Bitcoin in your life, there's a huge opportunity to get on board the new NFT train. All right, now they pre-sale in 19 days, so there's still some time to become a part of this community and maybe even win some, right? But this stood out to me. 3 reasons you should be amongst the first. The earlier you buy, the less you will pay. Prices will be 2 times when 50% of the NFTs are sold. Now, the reason why that's important is because I actually lost out on a good flip on something like this, simply because I guess I didn't see where it was going. All right, now 50% of the NFTs are sold at 2 times more, and when 75% are sold, right? So hurry up and get the early bird low price, right? One of the top rarities, ZCode Doge, will be giving randomly to the first 55% buying a ZCode Doge. Presale is only available to the VIP members and whitelisted Discord followers. All right, now they also offer an affiliate link, so that lets me know that this community is probably going to get big because you got a lot of people that's spreading the word about this. Now, I want to read more about the utility and the roadmap, so let's see down there. The next big thing, we know what an NFT is. All right, so ZCode Doge are unique, custom-made, randomly generated 3D NFT social avatars. Some appear normal, some look weird, some are just so damn cool. Some even may look familiar to you. No 2 of these NFTs are identical. Each Doge is unique and algorithmically generated from over 150 possible traits, including expression, headwear, clothing, and more. All Doges are dope, and some are rarer than others, right? The Doges are stored as ERC-721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain and hosted by IPFS. Now, what that means is that these are also their own crypto, right? Like, these are tokens, right? So when you buy a rare ZCode Doge, you're not simply buying an avatar or a potentially rare piece of art. You're gaining VIP membership to their access club, right? So why Doge, right? This is the type of we more so want to know, because hey, let's just keep it 100, bro. Like, a lot of these NFT projects, like, that's what they're supposed to do, right? And with all this, they're supposed to talk themselves up, but what you have to pay attention to, bro, is questions like why Doge and, the roadmap, which I don't think we've gotten to, right? So we've kind of already went why Doge. We've kind of read that already. So gold ZCode Doge NFT, the key to the world. ZCode NFT is based on real utility and community since 1999. Great holding and resale value. Only 1,000 of the gold NFTs minted by luck in a lottery with the chance to win platinum and legendary variants. All right, but I need to know what I get for those variants. Platinum ZCode Doge NFT, medium rarity, only 40 NFTs, a chance to win a legendary in our platinum lottery. Outstanding rewards including 3 months of ZCode VIP membership worth $600 and 100 USD master noting program bonus with 150% compounding APY, right? Great reselling value on OpenSea, future ZCode token airdrop bonuses, right? And then the legendary ZCode Doge, very rare, 10 of those only. You get the memberships that's worth 2,300, 500 USD with the same kind of deal. All right, now here's some of the extra benefits. This is what we want to know. Passive income, 60% of all OpenSea royalties will be sent back to active holders' wallet. Okay, now that's huge, because when you talk about NFTs that you can make some money with, then this is one of them. Giveaway airdrops, a lot of projects kind of do that, but holders of the first gen series 1 NFT will receive giveaways and airdrops on the next gen series number 2 and series number 3 NFT collections as a reward for their loyalty and support. And then staking and pools, priority access to the staking and private pools, as well as the launch of ZCode coin, right? And then here's all the utility and products. All right, so here we go, the coveted roadmap, right? This is what we wanted to know. All right, so this roadmap kind of starts, all right, March 9th, even though they have their date kind of written confusing here, that's March 9th, right? To us, ZCode community comes first. The main goal is to make sure your investment and our mint are as successful as possible to achieve all our goals. During pre-sale, you can mint up to 500 NFTs at the lowest price, and upon public sale, you can mint the remaining 500 NFTs, right? And then boom, at 10%, public mint is live. You can now mint the remaining 500 NFTs. The price of the remaining NFTs is increased 2 times when 50% is sold, and 2 times more when 75% is sold. Early birds get the best price. Marketing starts and listing on popular sites like Rarity.tools, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap. NFT reveal event. NFT sales are live on OpenSea at 20%, then at 30% VIP rewards are offered, and then at 40% Generation 2, the Baby Doge launch. Generation 2 NFT collection is launched, and 3,000 new NFTs are released, all right? And then at 50%, they're going to develop a new app, right? This is a Z Live sports bot, scores predictor, and line reversals apps. Right, they'll expand the app network with a new Soccer Buddy app release. All right, and then at 60%, Pixel Doge collection is launched. 5,000 new NFTs are released, and then at 70%, NFT spotter development. This is a tool that I think is important when it comes to the utility of even existing NFTs, is being able to spot other ones that are going to be legit and kind of going to grow into great communities. And then 80% charity program, and then at 90%, metaverses integration, and then boom, at 100%, creation of ZCode coin as a new cryptocurrency. And so long term, that's what they're trying to do. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put some links in the description if you want to be a part of this community, because they seem to have a big community, seem to have a legit community, pretty much gone all out on the website, bro, by putting a lot of information. And so if nothing else, bro, that kind of tells us that they're a for real project. But ultimately, man, we're checking their Twitter. Looks like the hype is there. You know what? There's really nothing bad I can say about this project, but y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Love y'all, man. Let's get it.